Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model walkthrough of the Raleigh floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Raleigh here is almost 2,900 square foot, 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath. You get a loft and also a flex space, which is what you see right here as soon as we walk in. So nice additional space here for an office, another media area, maybe a kid's playroom or something like that. And walking past that, we come right into the heart of the home, the main living area and kitchen here. So you've got a nice open kitchen here overlooking your living spaces. Right off the corner of the kitchen here, you do have a walk-in style pantry, which is really nice. And again, this just overlooks all your main living spaces here. Now, to the right of the kitchen, that is the entry to your 2-car garage. And then underneath the stairwell, you have all this additional storage which wraps around underneath the stairs there. Now, last but not least, on the first floor here, we have the indoor laundry space here. You've got the half bath. And then we have the master bedroom here. Really nice sized master bedroom here. Very spacious bathroom as well. You get the dual sinks. It's a really large, oversized walk-in closet here. You've got the standalone shower, and then your enclosed water closet right here. So now we're going to take a walk upstairs and take a look at the second floor here on the Raleigh. So as we come up the stairs here, we're going to land right on the loft area. So another multi-purpose space that you can utilize in this home right here. And then we have the remaining bedrooms. So these are all your guest bedrooms upstairs. You also have your guest bath here with the dual sinks, the commode, and the combination tub and shower here. So here's your other guest bedroom. One more here. And then the last one directly behind me here. So that is the Raleigh floor plan, folks. It's a great home, lots of space. If you have a big family or just need a lot of space, this is a great floor plan for you. If you're interested in this home or something like it, give us a call, contact us on all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.